Our YouTube video on Flutter RoadMap, install and set up using vsCode or Android Studio. Are you ready to dive into the basics of Dart and Flutter and explore various widgets, packages, state management, and architecture concepts? Let's get started. Main content. Step 1. Dart Basics. What is Dart? Dart is a programming language used for building web, server, and mobile applications. Its syntax is easy to understand and offers features like data types, variables, and control structures. Let's print a simple "Hello World" program in Dart to get a taste of the syntax and structure. Understanding data types and variables is crucial. Learn the differences between const, final, and var for declaring variables in Dart. Lists are essential data structures in Dart. Explore how to work with lists and manipulate their elements efficiently. Dive into conditional statements like if-else and the ternary operator for making decisions in your Dart programs. Switch statements provide an alternative way of handling multiple conditions effectively. Classes and objects are fundamental concepts in object-oriented programming. Learn how to create and use classes and objects in Dart. Loops play a vital role in programming. Explore different types of loops like for, while, and do while to iterate over data in Dart. Functions are reusable blocks of code that perform specific tasks. Understand how to define and invoke functions in Dart efficiently. Step 2. Flutter Basics. State management is crucial in Flutter development. Differentiate between stateful and stateless widgets and how they handle the application state. Explore basic widgets like card, Materialapp, scaffold, text, and others to design your Flutter UI effectively. Navigation widgets like AppBar, Draw, Tabbar, and Bottomnavigationbar help in navigating between different screens in your Flutter app. Routing widgets like MaterialpageRoute Navigator assist in managing the routes and navigation flow within your Flutter application. Layout widgets like center, container, row, column, and others help in arranging and positioning elements on the screen logically. Input and interactive widgets like GestureDetector, ElevatedButton, TextButton, Form, and others enhance user interaction in your Flutter app. Discover other widgets like Theme, Divider, Bottom Sheet, Alert Dialog, Snackbar, and more to add functionality and aesthetics to your Flutter UI. Step 3. Flutter Packages. Utilize popular Flutter packages like Date Picker, Calendar, Share Plus, URL Launcher, and others to expand the functionality of your Flutter applications. Step 4. GetX, State Management. Explore the GetX package for state management in Flutter. Learn about Materialapp, GetUtils, GetX Navigation, Controllers, and the MVVM architecture. Implement a clean structure of your Flutter project using the Model View View Model (MVVM) architecture for better organization and maintenance of code. Step 6. Flutter Skills. Enhance your Flutter skills by building simple apps like a login and sign app or a to-do app using different widgets and functionalities. Step 7. Media Query. Use Media Query to make your Flutter app responsive and adaptable to various screen sizes and orientations. Step 8. Networking. Understand the client-server architecture, HTTP requests, responses, and working with APIs to fetch and send data in your Flutter applications. Step 9. Backend. Dive into Firebase services like Firebase Storage, Firebase Database, Cloud Firestore, and Firebase Hosting for backend functionalities in your Flutter projects. Step 10. GitHub. Learn how to create a GitHub account, push your projects to GitHub, and collaborate with multiple people on the same project using branches. Outro. That wraps up our comprehensive Flutter roadmap video covering installation, setup, Dart basics, Flutter essentials, packages, state management, architecture, GitHub integration, and more. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video if you found it helpful. Stay tuned for more valuable content in the future.